How to use Capital One Shopping. Now, if you are the type of person who wants to use Capital One Shopping, you can actually just create an account. If you're using on browser on computer, you can install the browser extension and search for deals, or you can simply download the Capital One mobile application, as you can see here, which is the Capital One Shopping app, not mobile banking app, but the shopping app. So go ahead and then launch the Capital One Shopping app right here, or you can go to capitaloneshopping.com, as I said earlier. And over here, this is usually just used for coupons and promo codes and to compare the prices, right? Because Capital One partners with many different e-commerce sites and other websites where you can check out, and from there, using the best deals, Capital One will provide you with those best deals. So you can go ahead and create an account or skip the process, and here you can see the personalized deals for Walmart, for Nike, for Paramount Plus, for all of this. If you have a Capital One bank account, you'll be able to leverage these deals for yourself. And this is how you can use Capital One Shopping. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.